Welcome to this overview of the NXP Semiconductors S32K146 EVB Low-Cost Evaluation and Development Board for general-purpose industrial and automotive applications. Based on the 32-bit ARM Cortex M4F S32K14 microcontroller unit, the evaluation board offers scalability, security, and connectivity for your automotive designs. The board is functional safety ISO 26262 compliant up to ASIL-B. The 232K146 EVB offers a standard form factor compatible with the Arduino UNO pin layout, providing a broad range of expansion board options for quick application prototyping. As for the microcontroller unit itself, it's a member of the NXP S32K1 family, offering 256 kilobytes to 2 megabytes of memory and support for I2C, SPI, UART, and Ethernet interfaces. In addition to the S32K14 microcontroller unit, the evaluation board includes a mini high-speed CAN system basis chip, single and multi-channel LIN transceivers, an OpenSDA serial, and debug adapter with support for several industry-standard debug interfaces, and onboard CAN, LIN, and UART SCI interfaces. The board offers flexible power supply options and can be powered up via a micro USB connection or external 12-volt supply. You can interact with the board using 2 touchpads, 1 potentiometer, 1 RGB LED, and 2 push buttons. The S32K146 EVB allows you to develop automotive zone controllers, battery management systems, pumps and fans, HVAC systems, and interior lighting controllers. For more information on the evaluation board and on how NXP Semiconductors works to make our world a safer, smarter, more connected place, visit avnet.com/NXP Transportation 2023.